dun 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 dun. Cat. Good. And a dun 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 meow meow meow. Good. And meow 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 and a meow meow meow.
So little did you know I already pressed record.
Oh. Anyways, hello.
Hello everybody. So today we will be going to answer some of your questions. Today's question is actually from Ashton Photography 9, I think. And the question was, what is the best approach when it comes to learning ASL?
Wow.
What do you think?
The best approach when it comes to learning ASL. Right off the bat, first thing I would say is you got to get out there and you have to associate with the deaf. Find any type of deaf event or anything like that where you can get out there and meet them, because one of the best ways to learn sign language is from the people. The deaf, that's their language, and they're the best ones to teach you, because you can take an ASL class, of course. Go to college, do an ASL 1, 2, 3, 4 class, absolutely. They're going to teach you the structure and they're going to teach you everything you need to know about it in the proper way. The way they teach it, however, is not going to be the way you see it in the real world all the time, because you're going to see a lot of slang sign or just more casual sign. So absolutely take the ASL classes in college, learn everything you can from them, because that's your foundation. That's going to be the best thing for you. But definitely you have to get out there with the deaf and the deaf community, because they're going to teach you all the other things that college can't teach you. And they're one of the best ways to learn is to learn from them too.
Absolutely, I couldn't agree more. And also one thing to keep in mind too is that one of the most fastest and effective ways to learn any language is through exposure. And there's been studies done where they'll record the amount of words that kids are exposed to, and the ones that are exposed to more words will pick up that language more quickly. And that's true as a child, it's true as an adult, and it's really amazing the difference just the exposure can have on you. And like Johnny was mentioning, just going out into the deaf community, just watching various videos online. You can look up various YouTube channels. There's Bill Vickers, there's Sign Duo. There's a lot of different sign language channels that you can watch, and also sign language dictionaries. But really the most effective way is getting involved within the deaf community and making sure that you're kind of forcing yourself to use that language on a day in, day out basis.
Yeah, and find someone to practice with too. You're going to be taking your ASL classes, so you have other students. Get their contact information, set up study groups, do whatever you can, because you're going to need somebody to practice with. You can learn a language on your own. Eventually, you'll get there, but you'll learn at a faster rate if you're practicing every day. Whether it's through VP or VP, that's a VP it's a video phone for the deaf, sorry. Whether it's through FaceTime or Skype or anything like that, you just sit there and practice, and that's going to be the best thing that you can do. Or find like an online study group. They're out there, they have them. I'm sure some of you have seen his online study groups, where it's just an opportunity for you to just get together with people who are also learning, who understand the struggle of being new and being like, I don't know nothing. That's okay. We've all been there. We've all started out at the bottom. So it's getting that support, because one of the other things you're going to need when learning anything really, especially learning another language, is the support. You're going to want a support system to be like, hey, I noticed this, or I've seen it sign this way, and you guys can learn and feed off of each other. And that's one of the best ways to learn sign language too.
Yeah, absolutely. And if you happen to be local in the area, we do attend deaf events every month on the first Friday. We alternate between Porterville, Visalia, and Hanford. But if you're not local, like she mentioned, I do host, and well, actually we both host group study practice sessions online. If you're interested in that, you can go to patreon.com/ASL Basics, and I'll also leave some links in the description down below for that. And just one more thing in regards to just learning the language is don't be afraid of making mistakes. And one of the really interesting things neurologically in your brain, if you make a mistake and learn from it, you end up learning whatever skill it is that you're studying, or your target language, or whatever it is. it just creates that synapses connection much more strongly, and you'll definitely not forget it. And I think if you've been learning for any amount of time and you've made a mistake, you're not going to make that mistake again. So don't be afraid of making those mistakes, and just try to have that confidence and really force yourself. And even if it feels uncomfortable, just put yourself out there. You won't regret it, and you will learn the language that much faster.
It's true. Mistakes are just ways of showing that you're learning and you're making progress. And there's nothing wrong with making a mistake. There really isn't. I know you can feel embarrassed, like, oh my gosh, I meant to sign early and I signed naked. Oh my God, it's okay. Again, we've all been there. That was actually one of my mistakes when I was first learning. It was like, oh my God, yeah. And it is embarrassing, but you'll learn never to do it again. And there's 1,000 stories I can tell you of people that I know who've learned, who have made mistakes, embarrassing mistakes, funny mistakes. It's just part of the learning curve. And it's going to happen, and you have to be okay with laughing at yourself and taking your mistakes with pride. To be like, you know what? I made the mistake, but that's okay. Don't give up. Don't get discouraged. Always try your best, and you'll learn. You'll learn the language, and you'll be successful. I can guarantee you that.
And who doesn't love a good story? They do make the best stories.
They do make the best stories.
Anything else?
As far as learning the language, I cannot stress it enough about getting out there and socializing with the deaf. That can be intimidating too, because if you're starting out from the bottom and you know nothing, you just barely know your ABCs or something, and you meet a deaf person, you're like, huh, how am I going to... It's fine. If the only thing you can fingerspell is your name, that's good enough. You're practicing, you're making an effort, and it's going to be wonderful. And just keep going. Don't give up. Don't feel discouraged. Just go and get out there and socialize, and that's going to really help you progress in the language.
Absolutely. I couldn't agree more. If you have any other questions, or if you wanted to learn more about different effective learning strategies, or how to go out and find events, just please let us know in the comments down below. If you have any questions for yourself that you would like us to answer, again, you can just go ahead and post that in the comment section below. If you want to pick up any of the merchandise that we have, like the sweater my wife is wearing,
I just got my sweater. I was so excited. It came in the mail. I've been waiting for it. And so it came in, and I was like, what is this? I didn't order anything. And I pulled it out. I'm like, oh, my sweater. And it's so cold too. So yeah, it says ASL in the ASL handshapes, and then my hands do the talking. And it's so true. Most of the time I will sign and talk at the same time, just out of habit.
Or even before she learned sign language.
That's true. Yeah, that was me a lot. So sign language really worked for me. But yeah, no, I love my sweater. It is true. I do love it. But yeah.
Yeah, links in the description down below if you want your own. They come in t-shirts and sweaters and all sorts of stuff. What else? I mentioned it before on Patreon, but if you want to learn a little bit more, if you were just interested in helping support us continue to make this content on YouTube, just feel free to drop by the Patreon page and check out what we have. We have exclusive videos, we have group study sessions, we have one-on-one tutoring. So be sure to go ahead and check that out if you're interested in supporting us, and subscribe and like and ring the bell notification, all that fun stuff. And anything else?
Nope, I think with this question, that's pretty much all I have. I'll just start sounding like a broken record. Socialize. That's like the biggest thing, socialize. But no, that's all I have.
Okay, well, until next time, I'll see you later. Watch, I wasn't recording.
I'd be so mad at you.